Hi, I'm Safina Danish Elahi. I'm an author. I'm a lawyer by training. I have run a publishing house. I'm an athlete. And I also run a paddle club. My most recent book called Chasing Shadows in Borrowed Light just got released in April in the UAE by the Dreamwork Collective. I've just launched it in Pakistan and hopefully, inshallah, we'll be launching it in the UK in July. I'm very excited for readers to be reading this story. The story is very close to my heart. It's about 4 friends and we see them feature across 2 timelines in their teenage years and then their adult life. So I was actually at this residency in Iowa in the US. Pakistan से एक writer को select करते हैं every year and the US State Department sponsors them. While I was there were 32 other writers who were writing with me. We were having intense conversations and I think maybe some conversation hit my heart and I wanted to talk and explore how do we show up for our friends in adult life when we have our careers, our marriages and children and other priorities. In your teenage years, it's very easy to just up and go to one plan and then, just go to another plan from there. And in this story particularly, there is one of the friends who is suffering and she has bad mental health. I wanted to explore how much can she ask of her friendships and do the friends feel guilty about not showing up? So just, that concept of ambiguity in friendships that, does the expectation actually get met? I think that's what I wanted to really explore and I started writing it when I was at the residency. I think जब मैं टाइटल के बारे में सोच रही थी तो उस वक्त I thought of this protagonist जो मेन कैरेक्टर है स्टोरी का अरीन. She is somebody who has really suffered. तो जब हमारे अंदर की खुद की रोशनी बंद हो जाती है तो आप कहीं ना कहीं से बोरो करते हैं. I think that concept came from there. और shadows is a very concept कि आप you're chasing shadows of the past. So she's chasing shadows from her past, but she has no light of her own. तो वो किसी से बोरो करके उस लाइट में वो बेसिकली अपनी जिंदगी गुजार रही है. Us writers are very difficult people and very difficult people to please. तो I think that जो आपने लिखा होता है वो fully तो convert नहीं होता. But if you ever ask a reader, they will probably never be satisfied by the exact adaptation. I feel the writer has something else in mind. But still, I think it turned out pretty well. It had really good views क्योंकि वो एक traditional drama, की तरह नहीं लिखा गया था. वो किताब की adaptation थी. So I think people found it very interesting. They found the story very interesting. I think personality के करीब तो people who know me, they just label a character after me for every one of my books. I think the characters I've really enjoyed have actually been female. One of them is Nadia, who is from The Idle Stance of the Tippler Pigeon. She's a character who we see grow up in a household that's not her own. उनकी जो वालिदा हैं वो एक मेड होती हैं किसी के घर पे and she gets an education and she's able to change her life. I think I really like that character. Again, it's not like me, but I think that the trajectory of the character was something that I really enjoyed writing. It's good to see your own character develop into something that you're proud of. And I think the second character is Areen, which is from Chasing Shadows and Borrowed Light. Areen is a very bold character and I think when I was writing the character, one of the editors also said कि मतलब आप ऐसे डर के ना लिखो इस कैरेक्टर को और ये ना समझो कि क्या ये लोगों को पसंद आएगी कि नहीं आएगी. I think my purpose as a writer is not to have my characters be liked by the reader. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप ये सोचें कि अच्छा ये तो बहुत अच्छी कैरेक्टर है. And I think that is something that made me very fond of Areen. I'm an ambivert. An ambivert is a person जिनको अपने आप के साथ टाइम गुजारने में बहुत मजा आता है. तो I think writing जो है वो मेरी वो वाली साइड को कंटेंट करती है जिसमें मैं किसी से बात नहीं करना चाहती and I'm kind of in my own head. और sport जो है वो एक completely different ball game है. Because I've been active most of my life. I've played a lot of sports. I've played basketball, football, a little bit of tennis, table tennis, and then now paddle. Running भी की है, yoga भी की है, gym जाती हूँ. So I think that both different two of these different careers have taught me a lot and they fulfill different parts of me. they were saying something and I said that, you know what, like I am a jack of all and master of none. I felt that because I've done so many different things that, you know, I end up doing very good in one field and then very good in another, but maybe not the best, right? And they said that, well, a jack of all is better than a jack of none, you know. So ये भी हो सकता था कि मैं ना करूँ ये 4-5 different चीजें. बहुत दफ़ा ऐसा हुआ है और सबसे मज़े की जो बात है वो ऐसा होता है कि जब मैंने किताबें लिखनी शुरू की तो उस वक्त किसी ने बोला कि आपके हस्बैंड बहुत अच्छे हैं कि वो आपको किताबें लिखने दे रहे हैं. एंड आई वॉज लाइक इंडीड बहुत अच्छे हैं, बट आई डोंट थिंक आई नीड परमिशन टू राइट बुक्स. कोई ऐसी चीज़ मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ जिसमें कोई यू नो मेरे बच्चों की लाइफ बड़ी अफेक्ट हो रही है. ऑब्वियसली देयर आर डिसीजंस दैट यू टेक एज अ कपल एंड एज अ फैमिली यूनिट, बट समथिंग दैट आई एम सक्सीडिंग इन, आई डोंट थिंक दैट प्रेज शुड गो टू एनीवन एल्स. अगर मैं मेहनत कर रही हूँ तो वो प्रेज मुझे ही जानी चाहिए. सेकेंड चीज़, जब बिजनेस खोला तो उस वक्त भी अभी तक आई थिंक 3 out of 4 people think that it's my husband's business. But I think it's important for people and young girls who maybe, you know, are listening to this. It's okay to own it. It's okay to own your own success. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. I would have laughed. I would have said that, you know, maybe that's a version of myself that I would have imagined at some point, but not very clearly, not exactly this. But सोचा था कि कुछ करूँगी. I just didn't know what, and that what was never, you know, 3 novels and being an athlete, and even also being an athlete at my age. Honestly, sport खत्म हो जाती है 30 के बाद. You know, so imagining myself even playing a competitive sport at a national level is something that I would have probably laughed about, you know, said that I'm obviously not good enough. I still have trouble believing that I was ever good enough, but I couldn't have imagined that this would have happened. I think the journey has been surprising. It has been pleasant and it has taught me so much. I always say this, and especially to girls and especially to women, please don't be a victim. Please do not self-victimize. Do not fit into that frame of मैं बेचारी हूँ. Fight for your right. Be vocal. Do not misbehave. We don't need to misbehave, and we don't need to be rude to ask for things that we feel that we deserve. But I don't think इसमें कोई गलत बात है कि अगर कोई अपने आप को you want to put yourself out there और आप कोई चीज़ ऐसी करना चाहते हैं जो ट्रेडिशनली लड़कियाँ नहीं करती हैं या आपके घर में नहीं करती हैं या आपकी फैमिली में नहीं करती हैं. It's okay to try to do them. And if you look around, I think आपको examples भी मिल जाएंगे कि शायद आपसे पहले किसी ने ऐसा करा हो और किसी को पता ना हो उस बारे में. Or maybe, just maybe, you're the first one.